Hello and welcome. The August stats are out and I'm going to break it all down for you in this short video. We're going to take a look at what the average sale price was for the month of August. We're going to take a look at what is the sales for the month of August in relation to the last 5 years. Then we're going to look at the days on market. And lastly, what price point is seeing the most amount of activity. So without further ado, I will hop into the data and let's take a look. The average sale price for the month of August was $709,739. This is an increase of 0.5% from last month, but it is a decrease of about 6% from July of 2023, which is not a surprise to me and likely not a surprise to you either, just coming out of this post-COVID market where prices were just rampant and completely on fire. So this is the update from our board president indicating that there's no shortage of demand given the increase in immigration. There's tons and tons of people coming into Canada right now, more specifically in Ottawa, and there's lots of people that are looking for property. But the lack of affordability is the hindrance. And that's what we're seeing. And our board CEO goes into more detail in this article, talking about how we as an industry and as a municipality need to be talking to the province and the feds about this lack of housing because of the affordability. It's really not a good thing that's happening, and they're forecasting this to be quite an issue as we move forward. The high borrowing cost and economic uncertainty is impacting both for buyers and sellers. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give more in detail on what I'm seeing day to day in the trenches and give you a really good snapshot of what to expect as we head into Q4. So let's take a look at the numbers. So our increase in sales, so there were 903 sales in the month of August. Well, this time last year, there were 843. So we're seeing an increase of 7%. On average, if we look at res, condo, lot, farm, all of these classes, it's about a 6.5% increase. This is positive news that there's more sales taking place on a month-on-month basis. When we look at the average sale price, we're looking at $709,000. This is a 0.5% increase from this time last year of $706,000. So we're staying on par. The average sale price in Ottawa is just over $700,000. And then we look at days on market. So the average days on market for the month of July was 31. This time last year, the average days on market was 25. So what DOM, days on market, means is the length of time your property is on the market until it achieves an offer. So if your property's been on the market for more than 30 days, depending on your neighborhood, it's likely that there is the market's rejecting your property. Nothing wrong with your home. It's just the features and benefit that your property brings to the market isn't in parallel with the other inventory that is on the market. So you likely have an issue with respect to your price. The last item I want to talk about is taking a look at our classes. So what is seeing the most amount of activity? So between $500,000 and $600,000, there's a 50% increase in sales in that price point. Then you look at these 30% down, 33, 39, 36, 39, 31. So there's a decrease in sales activity between 600 and sort of that 1.2 million. So what does this all mean for the market as we head into the last quarter of 2023? Well, there's a lot of uncertainty taking place because of the lower Bank of Canada and the rate hikes and increases. As of September 6th, they did not increase the rates. Our next rate announcement will be on October 25th. So stay tuned on what's going to happen there. The market is really reacts. There's a huge impact when the interest rates do go up. So right now they're in a pause until sort of mid to late October. So I'll be sure to update everyone on that. And please, as always, reach out if you have any questions, thoughts, concerns. I'd be more than happy to give you my perspective on what I'm seeing in the marketplace. Thanks and stay safe.